Tomato plants can get expensive when you're filling a garden. So instead of buying 6 or 8 plants, what if you could start with just one? I'm going to show you how to turn this one tomato plant into several more, practically for free. The secret is already growing right here on the plant. Tomato plants produce side shoots called suckers, and those little shoots can become entirely new tomato plants. So let me show you exactly what we're looking for. Find the main stem, then look where a branch grows out from it. See that little shoot growing right in the V between them? That's called a sucker. And that's what we're going to use to make our new tomato plant. For propagation, choose a healthy sucker that's about 4 to 6 inches long. You want enough stem and leaves to work with, but it doesn't need to be huge. Using clean scissors or pruning shears, cut the sucker off right near its base. Be careful not to damage the main stem or the branch beside it. Next, remove the lower leaves, but leave several healthy leaves at the top. That gives us a nice section of bare stem that can develop roots. Now place the bare part of the stem in a container of clean water, keeping the leaves above the waterline. Put it somewhere bright, but out of strong direct sun while it begins forming roots. Change the water every few days to keep it fresh. Usually within a week or two, you should start seeing roots developing along the stem. Once you've got a healthy little root system like this, it's time to move your new tomato plant into soil. Gently plant the rooted cutting in moist potting mix. Tomatoes can grow roots along their stems, so you can plant it a little deeper for some extra support. Water it in well, and keep it protected while it adjusts to being in soil. Don't rush it straight into full sun. Give your new plant a little time to adjust, gradually increasing the amount of outdoor sun it gets over several days. Once it's growing well and accustomed to the outdoors, it's ready for the garden. And that's how one tomato plant can become several. Every time the original plant gives you another good sucker, you've got the potential for another plant. Instead of buying a plant for every one of these spots, we let the first plant help fill the garden. So before you buy a whole garden full of tomato plants, try starting with 1 or 2 and make some of your own. It's simple, it saves a little money, and you get a whole lot more garden for what you spent. And remember, keep it simple, silly. If you're looking for more information, step-by-step guides, or simple DIY projects you can actually finish, you can find it all at Imagine That DIY on our website and social channels. If you'd like a fun break from the projects, be sure to check out our sister channel, The Barnyard Frequency. If you'd like to support what we're building, it's completely optional but always appreciated. All the links for Imagine That DIY, The Barnyard Frequency, and support are on the screen below. And remember, keep it simple, silly.